welcome in a new lecture of the lectures of Coptic language. In today's lecture we are going to talk about the infinitive. The infinitive in Coptic language is simple. You add the letter A before the verb. It means to plus the verb, and the letter N or M before the verb erhits if it is preceded by the verb erhits. For example, the verb erhits means to begin doing something. For example, here han mish im prophetis nem han ismi av re bisomin enav ovo isotem. Many of prophets and righteous they desired to see and to listen. Here we wanted to make the infinitive, so wanted to say to see. We said enav. After a conjugated verb, they desired av simin. It means they desired, and want to say to listen. Esotem, to listen. We use the verb erhits, means to begin doing something. Af erhits inti ezvo gen bio anzib. He began teaching to teach in a school. We negate the negation of the infinitive by adding a plus ishtem. For example, nek is foto e ishtem saji no akrof. Your lips, not to speak of a lie. We use the verb saji. We wanted not to do something. We say e ishtem plus the verb. You can find today's lecture in YouTube CEC channel on this address, or archive.org in this address, and you can download the fonts to see the slides, which are available on the same site, and install those fonts on your computer. Thanks. Shatina verutin is Neo. Until seeing you in next lesson.